Did you know that we process visuals way quicker than text? Around 60,000 times quicker. As of April 2024, YouTube has around 2.7 billion subscribers. That's like a third of the internet users, right? People are clearly loving video content. For news and media publishers, they are reaching out to people with videos, right? And this is working out beautifully for them. But the question here remains, are they making money out of it? How can they monetize? Here are ways publisher can make the best out of videos and start monetizing them. Number one is advertising. Publishers can make the most out of the videos they have with actually showing up ads before, during, or after the videos, right? So here's what they can do. The best way to do is by programmatic ads. But I'll give an example here, right? Let's say a news publisher inserts a video in as part of their article, right? And when someone comes and visits their website, looks at the video, they can show a pre-roll advertisement, which basically shows up before the video plays. These pre-roll advertisements can be personalized, making sure that the ads that are shown are either personalized based on their demographic, their interests, or even their browsing history. Number two, direct deals with advertisers gives you an opportunity to show advertisements in your videos, right? This can also be personalized by showing them specific videos and advertisements that are related to the video itself. I'll give you an example here. So let's say you are running an environment-friendly website that talks about sustainability, right? So let's say you actually reach out to an advertiser who sells electric vehicles, right? So when a video of yours is playing, what you can do is you can insert this specific ad, making sure that this also provides value to your users as well as your advertiser. This ensures that the clicks that you get are more authentic and you actually garner more clicks to start with. Number three, programmatic advertising for ad inventory in your video player. Implementing programmatic advertising actually makes sure that you're showing personalized ads to your users. With programmatic advertising, the automated system looks after the buying and selling of ads in real time. They use data-driven algorithms to match data points based on demographic user interest to make it more personalized for the user. For example, a big online news network starts off with programmatic advertising by integrating it to its video player. Advertisers can bid in real time to acquire that spot for the video, right? Here again, one point to notice here is programmatic ad also keeps observing the patterns and the behavior of the users to ensure that the relevant ads are shown to the users, right? As viewers engage with the content, programmatic systems analyzes the data and sees where the user is actually browsing. They'll also check the behavior, the interest, and show ads accordingly so that it's most relevant to the user and provides value. These relevant and captivating ads actually draw attention and gives you a chance to earn more revenue. Up next, we have video paywall. Creating a paywall for unique and exclusive content helps publishers monetize as well as build a loyal subscriber base. This strategy helps getting premium videos behind a membership wall. This ensures that you're getting paid by asking users for a payment to access these exclusive videos. For example, imagine a reputed news organization that is now producing a series of documentaries on political corruption. Each episode can zero down in detail about political corruption and talk about every aspect of it in every episode. This features exclusive interviews, behind the scene glimpses, and also shows analysis. This would have a lot of people interested. But here's the catch, they would have to subscribe to gain access to all these episodes. This gives an opportunity for publishers to earn more since they have a lot of interest coming in from different people to actually view their content. By placing high value content behind a paywall, this gives an opportunity for publishers to actually interact with people, get more responses on actually paying for the content they want to consume. An interesting way for users to convert into paid members. Moreover, publishers can improve subscriptions value by providing users with an ad-free experience, inviting them to events, having them included in the Q&A sessions, and also giving them an opportunity to gain access to videos well beforehand. This gives them an opportunity to build a bond with all their paying members and create a loyal audience base. Up next, we have sponsored content. Sponsored content provides news and media publications with a strategy to diversify revenue while retaining the quality and the integrity of the website. By collaborating with sponsors, publishers can insert sponsored segments into the video while maximizing revenue and minimizing production cost. For example, imagine a news and media publication that is now producing a series of global travel destinations. By collaborating with the right sponsors, they can show ads on accommodation, on the best ways to travel, and even show gadgets that can be used while traveling. These kind of sponsored ads make it possible for the users to gain maximum impact, maximum value from the videos that they're viewing. So while they're viewing the video, bits and pieces of sponsored content is either mentioned or shown, increasing the chances of users clicking on it, and which is beneficial for the advertisers, of course, and also beneficial for you since you're providing more value to the users. It's a win-win situation. The publishers gain financial backing while the advertisers get an audience that is really interested to buy their products. Up next, we have affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing helps publishers to leverage content and sell product or services in exchange for a commission. For example, let's imagine a pro makeup artist who has a YouTube channel, right? And this person talks about a specific brand while recording the video. So they can include an affiliate link within the description or even mention it on the video itself. This gives them an opportunity to actually encourage people to click on the affiliate link, go ahead, browse them, and even buy it, since the authority, the person who is a YouTuber, has mentioned that product and is something that she personally has used and found it interesting. This makeup artist can also let their audience know that by clicking on this link and buying the product, they're actually supporting the channel. They can sweeten the deal by giving away exclusive discount codes or even giving off special offers that the users can avail the next time that they buy. These exciting giveaways entices users to click on it and actually go ahead and buy it as well. Affiliate marketing platforms also provide publishers with an analytics dashboard or a view where they can actually go ahead and check how many people have clicked and how many people have gone ahead and made the purchase. Affiliate marketing platforms also provide publishers a place where they can track how their affiliate links are performing. Up next, we have donations. Donations are a solid stream of revenue, especially for publishers specialized in niche segments. Take for instance a YouTube channel that provides in-detail tutorial of vintage cars or let's say bike restoration, right? This channel will have a niche audience that is super interested to know more about this. With this loyal following enthusiasts, this channel provides value to your users, making sure that they cover everything there is to make this audience happy. The creator understands that showing ads in between this niche content might disrupt the user experience. So what they go ahead and do is they ask for donations to keep the channel going. In this scenario, the content creator explains the importance of donations and how it will help in creating quality content and providing them with an ad-free experience. These are the 7 ways how publishers can start monetizing their video content. Stay ahead of the video game and make sure you are monetizing on all these videos. If you have any questions, feel free to drop in a comment and I will be more than happy to assist you.